The Mk6 helmet was the standard combat helmet of the British Armed Forces as well as another supplied helmet of the UN during peacekeeping operations. The Mk6 replaced the Mk4 helmet, more correctly titled Helmet Steel Mk4, General Service, in Army service and the RAC helmet in naval service. The jump in Mk numbers is thought due to the confusion surrounding the Mk4 helmet using the Mkv lining, introduced in 1959. The Mk6, introduced into service from the 1980s, is designed to accept modern air protection, Bowman personal radios, and respirators. The helmet is manufactured by NP Aerospace and is reported to have an almost unlimited service life by the manufacturer. The helmet in its default configuration is a dark green. The Army used covers to camouflage the helmet and adapt it to different environments. Covers include the British Disruptive Pattern Material in temperate, woodland and desert patterns, multicam pattern, Disruptive Pattern Combat Uniform, a pure white cover for Arctic environments and a United Nations blue-colored cover. It is sometimes referred as the battle bowler, a term first used for the First World War Brodie helmet. The Mk6 is often mistakenly thought to be made out of Kevlar when in fact it is constructed of ballistic nylon fiber. From June 2009 the helmet was replaced by the Mk7 helmet. In 2005, the Mk6 began to be replaced by an evolution of the original design, the Mk6A helmet. NP Aerospace also manufactures the Mk6A. Although it looks very similar to the Mk6, the Mk6A has enhanced ballistic protection and is marginally heavier than the earlier model. The two variants can be easily distinguished from each other when the cover is removed, as the material of the Mk6 is olive green whilst the Mk6A is black. From 1992, the Mk6 was supplied to the UN alongside the M88, Michigan and the N1 to allow for protection of peacekeeping forces. Many military forces used these helmets such as Argentina, Mexico, and most listed UN countries as stated. These were either covered with the respective country's camouflage helmet cover, or issued with a blue Mk6 cover to indicate it as a peacekeeping helmet. As of 2019, the British Army Cadet Force, Air Training Corps, Sikh cadets. The Mk6 is still used currently for training in bivouacs, however this soon will be replaced by the Mk7 helmet. Afghanistan, Ghana, Iraqi Kurdistan, United Kingdom, Bermuda, Ukraine. 2,000 Mk6 helmets were supplied by the British government, bringing the total supplied to 3,000 to the Ukrainian government on July 3, 2015.